This is the green list. Number 1, cheese. I put cheese on my ham sandwich. Number 2 is leaf. After I raked, 1 leaf fell out of the tree. Number 3 is sled. I bought a new sled so that I have something to do in the winter. Number 4 is wheel. The wagon wheel fell off and I have to get it fixed. Number 5 is seal. I saw a seal bounce a ball on his nose at the circus. Number 6 is dress. I wore a beautiful red dress to the party. Number 7 is stem. The stem of the flower broke, and so the flower died. Number 8 is sleeve. I spilled coffee on my sleeve. Number 9 is team. The team took a break to talk about a strategy to win the game. Number 10 is slept. I slept on the floor because my bed was unmade.